Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a BMW M4 car with cardboard. Start by planning your scale and sketching a simple template on paper. Work in small sections and test fit pieces before gluing. Keep edges neat and score, fold lines lightly for clean bends. Use scrap cardboard for details like mirrors and spoilers. Take breaks to check proportions and adjust templates for a better fit. In this video, I will show how to make a BMW M4 car with cardboard. Gather materials such as various cardboard sheets, a sharp hobby knife, metal ruler, glue, and sandpaper. Choose paints or markers if you plan to color the model, and have clamps or clothespins handy for drying glue. Prepare a clean workspace with good light and ventilation. Keep small parts organized so assembly stays smooth and efficient throughout the build. In this video, I will show how to make a BMW M4 car with cardboard. Begin by cutting the chassis and body panels, then score fold lines for crisp shapes. Glue the chassis pieces first for a sturdy base, then attach side panels, roof, and hood carefully. Add details like wheel arches, mirrors, and spoilers with thinner cardboard. Once assembled, sand edges smoothly, prime if desired, and apply paint for a realistic finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.